Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send stickers on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to add some creativity and personality to your conversations. So today I'm going to show you how to send stickers on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat where you want to send stickers. Once you have selected the chat, simply tap on the smiley icon at the left side of the text input field. This will open the emojis and stickers menu. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will see different options. Simply tap on the stickers icon. Here, you can either browse through the available stickers or use the search bar to find the specific sticker that you want. For example, I will type in sad. Once you have found the sticker that you want to send, simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully sent a sticker on WhatsApp. It is important to note that stickers can be fun and expressive way to communicate, but make sure to use them appropriately and consider the context of the conversation. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send stickers on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send stickers on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.